Now that we've got a Microsoft Excel chart created, there are loads of options that you can get into to make it look, display the way that you want it to. There's options to turn features off, such as the legend. We can turn it off. You can move it around. You can change its size. You can change the bar colors, the size of the bars, change the chart title, your scale along the y-axis, or these values here. There's so many options that you can get into. So the first thing I want to do before we dive in and start to manipulate this chart is show you where all these tools are located at. Now, depending on the version of Excel that you're working on, I'm currently through an Office or Microsoft 365 account. And so when I select my chart, I get these three little icons off to the right, which give me loads of features. The first one is about adding or removing chart elements. The next one is about formatting. And the last one there looks like a little funnel. That's your filter command. So you can filter charts inside of Excel. Now, if you're on an earlier version, such as 2007, 2010, you're not going to have those little icons. Or I believe, I got to go back and confirm once again with the latest release, but I don't believe that those are on the Mac release either. But with the chart selected, you can also go up to the tabs at the top of the screen. You've now got a chart design and format tab where you'll find all the same features with the exception of the filter command. And that one's specific to the newer releases of Microsoft Excel. But everything else you're going to find here at the top. So on the chart design tab, I've got things like adding and removing chart elements. I can change the quick layout, pick from some predefined layouts. I've got some chart styles to be able to pull from and a handful of other operations there. On the Format tab, it's all about formatting, changing the colors of the chart, the bars, the text elements on there. Anything that you want to format, you'll find on the Format tab there. So all your features right there at your fingertips, really easy to dive into. But I'm going to focus a little more on the ribbon. I'll talk a little bit about those three buttons on the right-hand side. But once again, depending on the version that you have, you may not have those. So take a quick moment before we get in there. Select the chart, identify your tabs are at the top of the screen. Chart design, format tab. Again, if you're on an earlier version, they might be called something slightly different, but you're going to get all the features there at the top of the screen. So try that out. Click the chart, find your tabs, find your little icons if you got them, and then we'll jump in and start to format.